Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can serve foods for the party preparation quest in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you need to go to your house and then make sure that you have foods to serve. And for example, I'm going to serve the food on this table. I'm going to go to my bag and I'm going to serve this salad. And then you can click on the food that you want to serve and then you can click on this home icon, and I'm going to place the salad here. Okay, done for the serving, for the first serving. And then I'm going to place another one. I'm going to serve this orange. Okay, right here. Oops, orange is not counted guys, so it needs to be food. I'm just going to eat the orange and then I'm going to serve again the salad. Okay, and one more serving. Okay, just like this. Okay, done. And the party preparation quest is already completed. Okay guys, and that's how you can serve foods for the party preparation quest in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.